The Oyo State government has filed a 10-count against Naomi Shilekunla, former wife of the Ooni of Ife, CEO of Agidigbo FM, Amzat Oriyomi, Islamic high school principal Fasasi Abdullahi, over a stampede at a Christmas funfair in Ibadan that claimed the lives of 35 children. A government source privy to the case told Sahara reporters that the government has filed an 18-count charge of manslaughter and related offences against the trio. The court will most likely grant bail on Monday. The state government has, however, filed an 18-count charge of manslaughter and similar offences against the defendant, the source said. Suspects are currently in detention over their involvement in the deadly stampede at the Oyo State High Court last Tuesday, January 7th. The defense team passionately argued for the bail of the accused, citing their cooperation with investigations and lack of flight risk. The defense lawyers contested the detention of their client, asserting that it was unconstitutional due to procedural irregularities and uncertainties surrounding the court's jurisdiction. They further expressed concerns regarding the legitimacy of holding charge employed to remand the trio, arguing that it lacked recognition under Nigeria's Administration of Criminal Justice Act. However, the state government, through its Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Abiodun Aikomo, strongly opposed the request. Aikomo insisted that the applicants had not provided sufficient grounds for their release. It dismissed claims of persecution by state government, describing them as unfounded. He opposed the motion, stressing the gravity of the charges and the need for justice for the victims and their families. Following deliberations from both the prosecution and defense, Justice KB Olawunmi reserved his judgment on the bail applications, scheduling the ruling for Monday, January 13, 2025. We'll continue to monitor the story closely for more updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.